I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to add a shared calendar ICS URL to your Google Calendar. To be clear, you can only do this through the Google Calendar website, and you can't do it through the Google Calendar app for iPhone, iPad, or Android devices. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to calendar.google.com, and then sign in to your Google account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Google Calendar home screen. Step 2. Find the Other Calendars section on the left side of your screen, and then click the plus icon next to it. A menu opens. Step 3. Click From URL in this menu. The Google Calendar settings screen opens to the screen where you can plug in the URL of another shared calendar. Step 4. Paste the URL of the shared ICS calendar you want to add to your Google Calendar into the URL of Calendar field. Additionally, you can choose whether or not you want to make this calendar publicly accessible on your Google Calendar. Step 5. Click Add Calendar when you're done. Now, when you navigate back to your Google Calendar home screen, you'll see the name of the calendar you added in the Other Calendars section, and you'll see events from this calendar displayed on your Google Calendar. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.